If you need to make more money, get an extra income going, especially if it's going to help you to pay down debt, get out of debt, start an emergency fund, get some savings going, then you're going to want to like this video and subscribe to my channel where I share helpful tips on credit repair, budgeting, getting out of debt, and side hustles, some of which can turn into businesses for you. So today I'm going to talk about 5 delivery app side hustles that I would even do if I needed that extra income. These are side hustles that pay you 1 to 2 times a week. They pay between $18 to $25 plus an hour, and they come with flexible hours because you get to choose your own schedule. So let's talk about how you can make $100 or more per day with these driver delivery apps. The first one is called Upshift. It's an online platform that connects businesses with on demand hourly workers. So here's some benefits of working with Upshift. Flexibility. So they offer flexible work opportunities. You get to choose when and where you want to work. This type of shift works great if you have other commitments like another job, perhaps you're in school or other personal obligations. Variety of assignments. So Upshift provides access to a wide range of employers and job assignments across different industries and roles. This variety can be very appealing if you like trying out different types of work, or perhaps you're even exploring a potential career path. So it'll allow you to gain experience in various fields, which can be pretty valuable for your professional growth, not to mention your resume. Upshift offers weekly pay. That provides a more consistent and timely source of income, and that can be particularly beneficial if you're seeking more immediate financial support or prefer a more frequent payment schedule compared to more traditional monthly salaries. Competitive wages. Upshift really strives to offer competitive wages for its workers. So compensation will vary depending on the specific job assignment, the location, but the platform aims to provide fair pay rates. Before accepting a shift, you'll have visibility into the hourly rate, and that will allow you to make informed decisions about which shifts you choose to work. Building a professional network. Working with Upshift can provide opportunities to build a professional network by connecting you with various businesses and colleagues within different industries. These connections can potentially lead to future job opportunities or references as you continue to expand your career. App-based convenience. So Upshift operates through a user-friendly mobile app, and that just makes it easy to browse available shifts, submit applications, and manage your work schedule. The app provides a streamlined and convenient experience, and that allows you to access work-related information on the go. The second driver app that I would try is Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is a growing on demand shopping service. You get to schedule a 3 to 6 hour block. You'll pick up packages from their hubs and you'll deliver them locally using your own vehicle. Amazon gives you a pickup location and they let you know when the packages are ready for delivery. You'll pick these items up and you'll use their Amazon Flex app to navigate to your destination. You'll deliver the packages and then you'll move on to the next destination. Amazon credits your account right away as you complete each order, and then you are paid twice a week via direct deposit. So, working for Amazon Flex, the delivery service offered by Amazon, can come with some great benefits. Flexible schedule. Amazon Flex provides a high level of flexibility when it comes to scheduling. As a delivery driver, you have the ability to choose your own delivery blocks, allowing you to work around your existing commitments and personal schedule. This flexibility can be very advantageous for those who need a side hustle that can accommodate other responsibilities. Competitive earnings. So, Amazon Flex offers competitive pay rates for its drivers. While specific rates can vary based on location and other factors, drivers generally have the potential to earn a very decent income through delivering packages. In addition, you get tips from customers that can add to your overall earnings. Let's talk about independence. As an Amazon Flex driver, you work as an independent contractor. This means that you have a level of independence and autonomy in managing your work. You can decide when to work, how many delivery blocks to take, and how to organize your routes. And this independence really allows you to be your own boss to a certain extent. Familiarity with local areas. So, working as an Amazon Flex driver gives you an opportunity to become more familiar with your local areas and neighborhoods. Now, this can be beneficial if you enjoy exploring new places or if you're considering other jobs that require knowledge of local geography, such as courier services or ride sharing. Potential for growth. While Amazon Flex is primarily a side hustle, it can actually offer growth opportunities within Amazon. By demonstrating reliability, efficiency, and exceptional customer service, you may have the chance to take on additional responsibilities or even transition into other roles within Amazon's delivery network. It can serve as a stepping stone for those interested in pursuing a career in logistics or delivery services. Accessibility and support. So, Amazon Flex provides an app that serves as a hub for managing your deliveries. The app provides necessary information such as delivery routes, customer instructions, and real time support. In case you have any questions or issues during the deliveries, Amazon offers support channels to assist you. The fourth delivery app that I would do is called Citizenshipper. Now, Citizenshipper has great reviews. It's a marketplace that matches people who need items shipped, sometimes across the country, with people who are going that way or willing to go that way for pay. So, you really are the boss of yourself on this app, placing your bids on shipping needs that people post. Since 2021, they've matched over 175,000 shipments, and drivers have earned, on average, $6,000 to $10,000 a month. So, some benefits of working for Citizenshipper include flexibility. They offer a high degree of flexibility in terms of scheduling. As a driver, you have the ability to choose the shipments that you want to accept based on your availability and preference. This allows you to work on your own terms and fit deliveries around your existing schedule. Earnings. Citizenshipper provides the opportunity to earn some great compensation for your delivery services. The amount you can earn will vary depending on factors such as the distance of the delivery, the size of the item, and any additional services that are required. Being able to negotiate rates with customers allows you to maximize your earnings. Variety of deliveries. So, Citizenshipper offers a wide range of delivery opportunities. You may have the chance to transport items such as pets, vehicles, furniture, or other specialized goods. And this variety can be really appealing if you enjoy different types of deliveries or if you have specific expertise in handling certain items. Independence. Working for Citizenshipper as a driver allows you to operate as an independent contractor. So, this means you have the freedom to manage your own business and make decisions regarding the shipments you accept, the routes you take, and the services you offer. You have more control over your work and you can set your own standards and policies. Networking and building connections. Citizenshipper provides opportunities for networking and building connections within the shipping industry. By interacting with customers and fellow drivers, you can expand your professional network, potentially leading to referrals or future business opportunities. As a citizen shipper driver, you can leverage your existing resources, such as your vehicle, to generate income. This can be very beneficial if you have a vehicle suitable for transporting specific items, as it allows you to capitalize on an asset you already own. Fifth and final driver app that I would try is called Saucy. This is a driver app. It's a mobile application designed for those who partner with Saucy. And Saucy is an alcohol and I believe a tobacco delivery service. The app serves as a platform for drivers to receive and manage delivery orders, track their earnings, and communicate with customers and the Saucy support team. Some key features and functionality of the Saucy driver app include a flexible schedule. So Saucy provides flexibility in terms of scheduling. As a driver, you get to choose your availability and select shifts that fit your personal schedule. And the flexibility is ideal for those seeking a side hustle that can be adjusted to accommodate other commitments or responsibilities that you may have. Competitive earnings. Saucy also offers competitive compensation for drivers. The amount you earn will depend on factors like the number of deliveries completed, the distance traveled, and the order size. In addition, drivers may have the opportunity to earn tips from customers, which can further boost earnings. Convenience. As a Saucy driver, you have the convenience of using your own vehicle for deliveries. Customer interaction. Working for Saucy allows you to interact with customers directly during the delivery process, and this can be an opportunity to provide excellent customer service and create positive experiences for customers. Building rapport and establishing good relationships with customers could result in increased tips and repeat business. Growth potential. Saucy operates in multiple cities, and as the company expands, there may be opportunities for growth and advancement. So, as a driver, you could potentially take on additional responsibilities such as training new drivers or moving into a supervisory role. This growth potential allows you to develop skills and progress within the organization. Industry experience. Working for Saucy can provide valuable experience in the alcohol delivery and logistics industry. This experience can be transferable to other delivery or transportation roles in the future, and it can only enhance your resume and hopefully open up additional opportunities within the industry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe so you can stay notified when I drop more videos about side hustles, credit repair, getting out of debt, and just leveling up here in 2023.